everybody. How are you? I am Noemi Paimar from Education 3000 and welcome to our online classes. We have an extra video today. I wanted to talk about the Blue Declaration. The Blue Declaration is a wonderful document. It's about the declaration of the children of the world to the world. And I think it's so important to listen to them, to know what they want, what kind of education they want, what kind of world they do want. And I think that's step number one, listen to the children. This is the intro I prepared for you. And then we will see the video. The intro of this declaration of the children of the world to the world is: we, the children of today and tomorrow, come before you to remind you about the need to change education on planet Earth, this planet, our world. Many beings support our petition: babies, girls, boys, young adults. We are millions, billions, with billions more to come. Please heed our plea and listen with your heart. So what I propose is simply to see the video, because there's some music to it and it's nicer, and then I will come back. So let's watch the video. beautiful video, isn't it? I really love this video, and I really like this document. And this is our promise too. We promise we will respond to that, and we will build up and co-build and co-create and co-construct this beautiful education. We will honor this promise. We will do it for them and for the future and for those to come. And this is a beautiful process. So thank you so much to Transform Education, to transform from the heart. And let's be in touch. See you soon.